안녕 친구들, are you guys ready to cook? Lately, Korean TikTok has been going crazy about ramen Gyeranjjim. Gyeranjjim is a Korean steamed egg. I'm super curious because everyone say it's really good. So that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get started! To make this dish, you need 2 eggs and your favorite cup noodle, that's it. If you poke the bottom part of the cup noodle, it is very easy to peel it. Ta-da! Easy, right? That's Kwon's Corner tip. Open the lid and add your flavor packet. While water is boiling, we're gonna prepare our eggs. Crack 2 eggs to your bowl and mix it well. Add hot water into a cup noodle where the line meet. I'm gonna add a little less cause I like my food to be salty. And cover it up and we're gonna wait for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, mix it well.
It smells super good.
And we're gonna move all the noodle to the other bowl.
First, you gotta enjoy your ramen. 잘 먹겠습니다. 진짜 맛있다. Super good. It should be just a ramen mukbang.
After enjoying your ramen, add your egg to the soup and mix it well. Cover it with a plastic wrap and poke some holes on top. And we're gonna microwave it for 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Let's put it in the microwave. Oh my gosh, it's so fluffy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ta-da! That's it. Our food is all ready to eat. Eating time. That's it. It doesn't really smell like a ramen, just Gyeranjjim. But oh my god, the color? I never seen Gyeranjjim with this color. So like orange reddish color. I think it'll be salty, so I got white rice. So let's try. 오? 맛있다. 진짜 맛있다. 이거 오? 특이한데? I'll be honest with you guys, when I look at the color, I say I never seen it, but what I meant was kind of weird and disgusting. Like, I'll be honest, it didn't look appetizing. It's not normal Gyeranjjim, so I was like kind of scared. You know, there's like TikTok, there are a lot of bad recipe too, like a melona plus gochujang. If you haven't watched it, you can click here. But this is no joke. I don't think I will ever make normal Gyeranjjim again. Even though it doesn't smell like a ramen, the flavor is super strong. And I'm so surprised that even though it tastes like ramen, it's super accurate, it's not spicy. Like, not at all. I'm super... How can it taste like a ramen without spiciness? Super shocking. It's so meaty and I can taste the onion and mushroom. Super good. So you should 100% try. And if you try, please send me through the social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Kwon's Corner subreddit. I'm gonna put the link down below. Thank you to my Patreon, Ramen Custard, Jackie, Nancy, Chanel, Miss Cheshire, Spencer, Gia, Joyce, Lexi, Mr. and Mrs. Kevin. Thank you so much for helping me to make bigger and better content. See you next week.
안녕. If you like this episode, hit subscribe and the like button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. Then I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕. How do you know that?